Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to extend your memory on the OPPO Reno8 Lite 5G. For this you must use a microSD card, and you can see here this is a microSD card. It's 32 gigabytes. It also can be with 64 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes. So just choose the one you want to have. Here is 32 gigabytes. The second thing is what you need is a so-called SIM card ejector tool, because we must put the microSD card at the same place where the SIM card is. So just look at your box, and in your box you will find here this SIM card ejector tool. This is a little needle, or you can also use the good old paper clip. So I'll just take the paper clip and put it in this little hole, and then it will open, and you can see here that on the left here I have the option to put in the microSD card, and you can see it fits in perfectly. So after I put it in, I just must put the tray back in, and you will not get a special additional information that the microSD card has been inserted, because normally when you put in a new SIM card there will be a special notification. But it doesn't matter. You can go here to the settings, and when you are in your settings you can go way down to About Device. And when you're in About Device, you can see here the storage, and here you can see the storage. You can see, okay, I have 128 gigabytes in total and 28.8 gigabytes used, images, videos, and so on and so forth. But now you can see here the SD card I have just put in. If you haven't put in an SD card, you will see here nothing. After you have put in an SD card, you can see here, okay, it's the SD card, and here you can see, okay, this is pretty empty, and then you can save files below to the SD card data. So you can choose to say screen recording, screenshots, files received by Bluetooth, OPPO, share, or other things. So this is pretty cool to just use data which is stored on your device to move it to your SD card. You can also say here migrate data to SD card, manually migrate data stored on your device to the SD card. And if you click here, okay, say agree and continue, transfer to SD card. After being transferred to the SD card, the files can be viewed in My Files SD card, and the pictures and videos can be viewed in Photos. So now you can transfer it, and you can see that your photos and your files will be transferred to the SD card. I won't do it at this moment, but you can see it's pretty cool and pretty easy. Yes, I hope this video helped you a little bit how to insert the microSD card in your OPPO Reno8 Lite 5G. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.